Greetings to all my 6th standard students. On the 5th day activity, the topic tense is given to us. The word tense refers to time. Okay, here the verb form that indicates the time of a particular action is called the tense. Okay, here we are going to learn the 12 sentences, 12 kinds of sentences here. Now, let us learn about the present tense. Present tense indicates the present time. It includes whatever happens now at this moment and also in the regular period. Okay, in a periodically the action is happen. Okay, for example, I play cricket often. I go to school regularly. I go to temple regularly. Okay, like this, the periodical action comes under this category present tense. Okay, now the past tense. The past tense indicates the past action. It includes whatever happened in the past or whatever completed in the past. Okay, and then future tense. The future tense indicates an action which is going to take place tomorrow or sometime later. Okay, okay. Now this present tense and past tense and future tense is divided into 4 as simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Here you can see simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Okay, now we see the verb formation in the tenses. First you see in the simple present. Here the verb is given to us writes. What verb is given to us? Writes. Okay. In the past form, the verb is written as wrote. How did they write? Wrote. Okay. The word writes became wrote in past tense. Can you see the difference between these verbs? Okay. Writes. Here wrote. In future tense, how did they write? They write we will write. In future tense, they are using the verb form will write. The will write shows the future action. Okay, here we can see the difference of the verb forms. Okay, it shows the action. It indicates the time of a particular time. Okay, here this verb shows the present form. This verb shows the past form. This verb shows the future form. Okay, next one. In present continuous, the verb form is writing. In past continuous, was writing. In future continuous, will be writing. Okay, here we have completed 6 sentences, 6 tenses. Let us see the present perfect. Here the verb form is has written. In past perfect, had written. In future perfect, will have written. Okay. In present perfect continuous, the verb formation is has been writing. In past perfect continuous, the verb form is had been writing. In future perfect continuous, he will have been writing. The verb form is will have been writing. Okay. Here we can see the whole concept of tense through the following table. Here they give an individual activity to you. The teacher writes some auxiliary verbs on the board and asks the students to fill column appropriately. Here we are going to know about the auxiliary verbs. You see, auxiliary verbs means it's a helping verb. It comes before the main verb, like the word be family, do family, have family. Okay, these are the helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. Here they are asking to you to find the auxiliary verbs and to fill in the column appropriately. Okay, in the simple present tense we can put the verb, then we can add the yes form. Okay, in the simple past we have to add the ed with the verb. For example, if we take the word walk, okay, this is the main verb, this is the base form of the verb. What we have to add when we want to put the past word, we have to add ed after the word walk. We can get the past tense walked. Okay, in simple future tense we can put will walk. Okay, what is the auxiliary verb here? Will is the auxiliary verb. Okay, then we are seeing the present continuous. In present continuous there are three types of auxiliary verbs we are using here. If the pronoun is I, if the subject is I, we are putting the verb am after the word I. I am playing, I am running, I am writing, like this. Here what they are asking, they are putting the auxiliary verbs alone. So we are putting am. Okay, then he, she, it. After the subject he or she or it, we are putting the verb is. Okay, then the word or, the auxiliary verb or is here. Why do we put the or in present continuous? If the subject is plural, they are, we are, you are. Okay, here we have to put the auxiliary verb or. Okay, let us move on to past continuous tense. Here the auxiliary verbs are was and were. Okay, in the singular subjects we are using the auxiliary verb was. In plural form of the subjects we are using the word were. Okay, let us move on to future continuous. Here will be is the formation of future continuous tense. Okay, next one, present perfect. In the present perfect tense we are using the word have or has as the auxiliary verbs. Why we are using the word has in the third person singular? After the third person singular subjects we are using the word has. He has, she has, it has. Okay, I have, you have, they have, we have. Okay, let us move on to past perfect. In the past perfect we are using the word auxiliary verb had gone, had sung, had swum, like this. Then future perfect will have. Here in future continuous we are using will be. In future perfect we are using will have. Okay, next one, present perfect continuous. In present perfect continuous we are putting the auxiliary verbs has been. Okay, then in past perfect continuous had been. In future perfect continuous we are putting the verb auxiliary verbs will have been. Okay, these are the answers for this column. Okay, then they are asking to us to form 12 tense sentences. Okay, they are asking to form 12 sentences in all the tense forms using the following verbs. Okay, here they are giving to us 10 verbs and they are asking to make a 12 sentences in all the tense forms. Okay, I took a first word teach. Here I am going to give you 12 sentences. For example, you also make a column like this and try to write all other words as a sentences like this. Then only we can speak or write easily. Okay. Okay, let us see the sentence. I took the word teach here in simple present tense. How do we write I teach? Just we put the subject and then we have to put the verb teach. If the subject is he, she, it, we have to say teachers. Okay, here I took the subject I. So I put teach as it is. Then past tense, I taught. What is the past form of the teach? Taught. Taught is the past form of the word teach. Then future tense, I will teach. Okay, here we are making 3 sentences in three tense forms. Let us move on to continuous. Now we are going to see present continuous. In present continuous, we are saying I am teaching. In past continuous, was teaching. In future continuous, I will be teaching. Okay. Okay. Now we are got 6 tense forms. Okay. Now we are going to move on perfect tense. I have got. I have taught. I had taught. I will have taught. In present perfect continuous, I have been teaching. In past perfect continuous, I had been teaching. In future perfect continuous, I will have been teaching. Okay, we are going to like these. Dear students, you also make these make other words like these sentences, like these 12 sentences in all the tense forms. Okay. Okay, let us move on to other activity. Here they are giving 3 sentences to us and they are asking to find the verb form and put it in the correct column. Okay, in the first sentence, you read the sentence first. What sentence they are giving to us? They are playing. Okay, what sentence is given to us? They are playing. The word or playing, can you find it? What sentence, what type of tense is it? Yes, this is a present continuous. So I put it in the present continuous form. Okay, next one, in a second question, he will have sung. Will have sung. Okay, will have sung. This one is future perfect tense. So this one is wrong. We have to put this one here. Future perfect tense. Here, future perfect tense. Next one, I play football. Here the verb play. It is a simple form of the verb. So this is a present tense. Okay. Sorry. Here, future perfect tense. This is the answer for the second question. This one is wrong. Okay, this is the correct answers. Okay, let us move on to next worksheet. Identify the form of the tense. In the first sentence, the lion rose in anger. Okay, first you have to find the verb. What verb is given to us? Rose. Rose, the word rose is a present form of the verb. So this is a present tense. Then my mother cooks dinner for all of us. The verb cooks is given to us. It is also present tense, simple present tense. I have cleaned my cupboard. Have cleaned. Have clean is a present perfect form. Then the sun had set. This is a past perfect. Next one, I drove the car to the market. Drive past tense is drove. So this is the past form of the verb. So this is a past tense. Here the girls are dancing gracefully. Or dancing is a present continuous tense. The boys have been playing. Have been playing present perfect continuous. Had been cleaning past perfect continuous. Will be writing future continuous. Will go future tense. Simple future tense. Okay. Okay. Dear students, these are the answers for this activity. You have to write these answers in your worksheet. We will meet in another topic. Thank you.